He was 85. His ashes will be spread on the winds of Quadra Island. He found great strength in the Japanese tradition of nature worship. Shortly before he died, he said, "I will return to nature where I came from. I will be part of the fish, the trees, the birds. That's my reincarnation. I have had a rich and full life and have no regrets. I will live on in your memories of me and through my grandchildren." He told me, "When I hear the sigh of the wind through the trees or see the flash of a salmon in the water, I will know that he is there." Dad was never a wealthy man. In fact, he was poor as hell. But while dying, he said to me a number of times, "David, I am so rich." In all the time that we spent together in that last month, he never once talked about fancy clothes, a car, or a house. That's just stuff. All we talked about were family, friends, and neighbors, and the things that we did together. That was his wealth. His memories and relationships built over a lifetime, and in those he was truly wealthy. Now, my parents too are gone, and I have become an elder. And of course, my mind turns to thoughts of mortality. I hope I can approach my death with the dignity and the acceptance of my father. And now I am uplifted by the amazing story that is emerging from modern science. It tells us from the moment after the Big Bang, as matter spewed forth in an expanding universe, every particle exerted a tiny pull on every other particle. The universe is not mostly empty space. It is filled with evanescent tendrils of attraction that some people call love. And that attraction is built into the very fabric of the cosmos. Science informs us that far, far away, way out in the boondocks, is a very undistinguished galaxy, the Milky Way. And among the billions of stars in that galaxy, our sun is a very ordinary one. And on its third planet, Earth, a mere speck in the heavens, life arose in the last quarter of the cosmos' existence. And in the very last moment, something astonishing happened. A creature emerged from nature, endowed with self-awareness, dazzling creativity, and a capacity for love and wonder. Gazing out at a chaotic world, that animal imposed order and meaning in myriad forms and brought humanity to prominence in a cosmic instant. We are the planet's most recent iteration of life's forms, an infant species, but with the precocity to see our place in the cosmos and dream of worlds yet to come. I believe we are capable of even greater things. To rediscover our home, to find ways to live in balance with the sacred elements, and to create a future rich in joy, happiness, and meaning that are our real wealth. I will die before my grandchildren become mature adults and have their own children. But I am filled with hope, and I imagine their future rich in opportunity, beauty, wonder, and companionship with the rest of creation. All it takes is the imagination to dream it and the will to make the dream reality. So let's get on with making it happen and show what our species is really capable of. Thank you.